So these days, I tend to receive a lot of DM, people asking me, and Linda, how can I monetize my Facebook profile? How can I monetize my page? How can I monetize my Facebook profile? Okay, I already have a video on how to monetize your Facebook profile on my YouTube channel. If you want to get a detailed video on how to monetize your Facebook profile, check my YouTube channel, which is Linda Tony. I have a link to my YouTube channel on the bio here, so you can check the link on my bio, so you can take it to my YouTube, then you can check for the video on how to monetize your Facebook profile or Facebook page. I spoke about that. So today I'm not going to talk about that again. So today I'm going to just show the monetization tools. Like Facebook are really changing a lot of things concerning monetization. So I just want to like give a little bit observation what I've observed so far on my profile and on my page. So I just want to give my observation on what is going on, so that in case you see that on your own page or your own profile, you won't panic. You will feel comfortable and know that you're on the right path. You won't be like you are doing something wrong. Okay, so let's just get right into the video. So here right now, I am going to go to my profile. I'm on my profile page right now, so I'm going to just click on that. Now I'm going to click on professional dashboard. So I'm going to just scroll up here. These features up here, you see where the root monetization. I'm going to click on monetization. Okay, I'm going to be unlocking your monetization step by step. Don't unlock everything at once. Okay, so for now I'm aiming from stars and bonuses on my profile. Okay, when I post my reel, you can send me stars there. So for now, the ads on reels, in-screen ad and subscription have not unlocked on my profile. Okay, so because of the new monetization changes Facebook is undergoing, they asked us that if you're interested in this, you should apply. Okay, so they are going to wait, they are going to review it and that. So, or you can as well not even apply or anything. You can just be posting your content. And it is time for Facebook to unlock it or monetize it. They'll unlock it for you without you disturbing yourself. Okay, so for me, so these are the monetization I have on my profile. So when I talk about sending stars on reels, so this is what I'm talking about. I just want to show you guys an example of what I'm talking about. Okay, so here now on this my video here, how to add the mask effect on your video using CapCut. Here on this particular video now, this is a reel. Okay, so if you click on the comment section here, you are going to see so many. You're going to see the camera option. They are going to see something like star. Okay, then before you see the GIF. Okay, then before you see emoji sign. So if you click on that star, that's if you want to support my profile, if you want to support my video, want to support what I'm doing, you can just click on that star, then you can send a star to me. Though it's not much, like the money for star is not much, but it is something. Okay, it's something that someone can support your page with. Okay, so what I'm getting money from for now, like I'm aiming from stars and bonuses on my profile. Okay, so now let me take you guys to my page. What I spoke about was my profile, which is my professional mode. Okay, so now I want to take you guys to my page. I have a page, so this is my page. So this is my page. The name of my page is Learn with Linda. That is my page. So I'm not really active there for now, but let's not talk about that. So I'm going to just click on that my page now. Then I'll still go to what professional dashboard. Okay, I'm going to click on professional dashboard. Then I'm going to go up here again and click on monetization. Okay, so now Facebook still told me again that your page is earning money. That my page is earning money, and this are where I'm earning money from. Okay, they said that the tools that I've unlocked for my monetization is from stars and partnership ads. Okay, so if I post my reel, I can earn stars, just like what I told you guys before. Then for this partnership ad, for example, now maybe I run ad on let me just say I run ad on this iPhone. I'm talking about iPhone. Okay, so I'm talking about the iPhone future, like what the iPhone is all about. I'm just doing an example here. That video that I advertised, I said something about their brand. They're going to now pick up my video and be showing you to other people. I'm not a partner to iPhone. Okay, so this is my particular video. They'll be showing it to other people. So this is how this partnership ads work. I have not approved that. Then they now told me that my subscription, I should set my subscription up. I don't want to set that up because on this Facebook I've not seen. I don't know, maybe there are people, but I've not come across any page or profile that sets subscription up. Like when you talk about setting subscription up, that means I'm going to set it up such a way that people are going to pay for an exclusive content. This thing work mostly for YouTube. It works mostly for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. I don't know for Facebook. I don't know if it works for Facebook, so I don't want to waste my time to set it up. So I just leave it there like that. Okay. So maybe if it works for you, it's okay. You can as well set it up, put a particular amount of money your audience to pay for that. For that to be seen exclusive content. That's content that you don't post on your normal page or your normal profile. You post that content on that particular place, and it's only those people that subscribe to this your page that will be seeing that content. So that's what the setup is. So me, I'm not going to do that. Then for the ads on reels, real. reels. So the ad on reels and the bonus and in-stream ads for that one, I can just go ahead and say I'm interested. I wanna write and let us know that you are interested in this program. I wanna write so reason why I'm interested and that and that. So like they say it's optional to write. So if you don't want to write, you can just submit it. Submit interest. Finish. Okay. So that's just that. For I notice the monetization for my profile and for my page that a little bit different, because for my profile I don't have partnership ads, okay, but for my page I do. So this is just how this monetization stuff work, okay. So this monetization, Facebook monetization, it's where there's money. These stars and stars bonuses, there's not much money there. Where you can earn a lot of money is a Facebook ad. Like if you partner with Facebook, like based on the in-stream and that and that. So right now for monetization content, I've not seen it on my own profile. Once anything change there, I'm going to come out here to update you guys, okay? Because we are in this together. So I'm going to come out here to update you guys on it. For now, this is what I am. This is what I am seeing on my page and on my profile for now. So there's some people that have started seeing content monetization. For me, I've not started seeing that, and I believe that with time to change. So if you're not seeing that and you're just seeing you're just seeing only these features I showed you, don't panic. Just be posting your content. With time, you do this thing. With time, you will see all those futures, okay. Most times people don't tell us the truth on this Facebook. Most of these people that say they're teaching, they'll just come out, they'll say what they'll say to make you panic and that. Like I remember the first time I started I started posting on Facebook here, my like profile was monetized. You can post on your profile to earn money from it, but there are so many disadvantages of profile then. So page have more advantage compared to profile as of then. So there were a lot of I was confused, and that was the thing that made me to start posting on my page also. So I was a little bit confused. I was like, I don't want a situation where I'm posting, and at the end of the day, I'm wasting my time. So when I now went deep in my research, and I noticed that all of them is the same thing, and with the whole changes that's going on Facebook right now, Facebook has made it possible that if you're using profile, if you're using page, all is the same. Like you can earn from both of them. There's no disadvantage there. And now, unlike before, you can't boost your post on your profile, but now you can boost your post on your profile. So just relax. Don't all the people that are saying whatever they are saying. Just sometimes you just have to like do what you are doing, keep researching and calm down. With time it will unlock. So for me now, this is what I have seen so far. Because initially when I was getting stars, at a point my stars, I stopped seeing the stars future on my reel and on my post on my profile here. I noticed this like last week. I noticed that I could see my star future, for like people can send me star again. Unlike before, I saw it at a point, it went away, so I didn't see it again. But now I can still see it. So it's something that maybe I don't know what they are doing, but I feel they are reviewing a lot of their rules, and they're changing a lot of things. So this is what I have to say for the monetization on Facebook. But so if you want to get if you want to get a detailed video on how to monetize your Facebook profile, please check my video on my YouTube channel. I give you detailed information about that, so you can go there and check that. I'm going to be leaving a link to my YouTube on the comment section, okay, so you can go there to check that out, okay. Please help me to share my video, and I would really appreciate that if you do so. See you all in my next video. Bye.